here. And one of my favorite things to do, as some of you know, is a chamber of prayer. And so I will invite all of us to end this meeting. Perhaps we could all do a chamber of prayer together for our beloved community in Asheville and for our beloved communities in Florida. So if there's no more questions or thoughts, I think that we can, let's keep the recording going. So whoever will listen to this later, they can join the chamber of prayer. How do y'all feel about that? All right, so let us, I'm gonna change something here. All right, so I'm gonna invite us all to just step into prayer, and when you finish your prayer.
And now unmute.
Yes, please unmute. I want us all to be saying prayer together. And then when you're complete, simply release, you can end the call. All right, here we go. I'll start. I know that there is one power.
I know there's one power, one
Absolutely
presence
only
that
one
moves
life
in,
God,
and
one
through
love
all
and
life.
intelligence,
infinite
that
power
life
that is
all
all mind, all
Father,
Father,
everywhere
So I
present,
trust
love
this.
that
I
is
know
God,
the
is
highest
spirit,
good.
is
where that
The
it
source of
is,
all that
God
is
is
and
good,
everything.
and good
those
good is my
afflicted
God. And so I
of
simply know
hurricane
that
south,
and
This
CSL,
Asheville is that,
plenty of
the
food,
CSL comes to
for
that, and I know that
shelter,
we're not
everybody does
alone,
as
each
well.
and every
committed to
person
be
and
relevant, and
magnify
They
that
effort,
are
it is
lifted
nothing.
up,
in
that
our
all of
hearts
this
CSL
is
is
and in
working
our
out for
powerful, and
the
all
souls,
those
good,
I
the
affected,
best
trust
of
that
all
there
people.
is
at
indeed
this moment,
new
Lord.
way being
especially
made,
that
and
my
I
brother
there are
David
open minds and are
I
open
know that the
God is
they're
resources
sharing,
above,
that
the
comes through each and
services,
every
the
one. And
comforted
so I'm
and provided
grateful.
for.
I further
the
offer my
objects,
prayer
the
for all
supplies
those
are
who
all
are
making their way
wrestling and
in
everyone
right order
He's
to the
seeking
people that are
add my
needed most.
Israel and
That all needs are
to
being
those
met
Lebanon,
afflicted,
everything that
Together
is
in
going on in the Middle East. I
any
trust that there is breakthrough
functional,
that is coming
operative,
spirit to
in sight.
lasting
that
change
Place
anything
for
done like
people.
conditions, like
love,
Everything that needs to
that
be
other
raised
conditions that I
It's
think would be
moving
there
forward,
that
that we
there
make a
are
difference as well, that we
before I
I
lift
call
each
the
other
prayer
up to
warriors
see
that
that
physical
love is the answer and
bring
love is the way.
people.
participate in
to
Gratitude
move
is
in
all.
as
Leave
and
this
Gratitude
through
with
each
about
one,
spirit I
the
had
so
to
that a
gratitude
greater
for the relief
bring
is
it as
absolutely
handle
may be known
be
by
there in
all.
spirit and make
So
its way into
grateful
these
for
communities
be
as
this
it benefits us
willingness
all.
to know,
forward
to
as it
hold,
should.
by
and
letting
So
submit
it is.
And as I do, it is
day and night
already
of life
answered and it is
as my
beautiful.
individuated
So as I
self,
release it
as all that I
by
see, that is
saying,
God
and
in
so
full.
it
Give great thanks
is.
for
one with the
this,
one,
and
with
so
the
it
one, with
is.
the one, with the one. Is with the attitude of gratitude that I release this word to the law. No, it's done and done exceedingly well.
In the power,
So it is.
standing in the power of yes, the place I lovingly call grace, as we all say together. And so
So it is.
Thank you all.
So it is.
You all. I mean it this time.